everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your seaweed farm businesses. For example, you have a seaweed farm in where your buyers can check inventories, place orders and track delivery timelines. Responding each and every buyer manually is a confusing as well as a very hectic task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your buyer send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your seaweed farm businesses, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer automatically instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of seaweed farm businesses, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hello, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Pabbly Seaweed Farm. How can I help you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is check inventory, track my delivery and support. If I'll click on check inventory, then this bot will respond to me like this while providing me the product categories that are available in the seaweed farm. See, dried seaweed, seaweed powder, seaweed fiber. If I'll click on dried seaweed, then it will respond to me like this while providing me one order now button. If I want to purchase seaweed powder, then it will respond to me like this while providing me all the details. So basically this is how our chatbot will work and this is how our bot will respond to our customer automatically instantly. If you want to create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your seaweed farm businesses, you have to follow the step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for our different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can go in sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining as well as your WhatsApp number added. With the help of this plus add WhatsApp number, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. If you click on this button, it will provide you 2 options. The one is WhatsApp Connect and the another is Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also create multiple folders and in this home section you can see the active and the inactive status of your WhatsApp number which are added to your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is Inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contacts, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contacts details, create segment, tag users, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for send up bulk messages to many users at once. It is used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your WhatsApp chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer product browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in which you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions or solve problems. Here we also provide one video of how to use an AI assistant. The ninth one is the settings, where you can manage your accounts, team members, integration, API keys, etc. The 10th one is the get helps, in where you can tell us about your problem and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow builder, so I'll click on this button flow. Here you can see this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses with the help of flow builder. Here you can also see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of our flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our seaweed farm businesses, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options. The one is messages and the another is action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button you can update your flow. So let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple types of template and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond any of the message of your customer that they were sent it to your WhatsApp business account. Now I want to add one welcome message for my customer for sending message in my WhatsApp business account of Seaweed Farm. For this I am taking this text button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this message box here and entering the welcome message for my customer. Here I write it. While at the end of this message, I'll ask one question to my customer that how can I help you today? So for answering this, I'm providing some options to my customer. By clicking on this plus add buttons, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first option as check inventory. The second option I'll write as track my delivery. And the third option I'll write as support. Now I am connecting the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my customer. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. It is connected. In the next step, when my customer wants to know about the inventory that are available in my seaweed farm, then they will click on this button, check inventory. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am adding one another text button. Drag this message box here and entering the details regarding inventory. Here I write it. After that, at the end of this message, I told my customer to please choose a product category below. So for this, I am giving some products to my customer by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first product as dried seaweed. The second product I'll write as seaweed powder, and the third product I'll write as seaweed fiber. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of check inventory to the message I write here. Now, if my customer wants to order any of this seaweed, then they will click on this, this or this. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am taking one media button. See, it will provide me one message box. I'll drag this message box here. Select media type as image and upload one image of dry seaweed from my gallery. Here I uploaded. See, now in the enter caption box, I am entering the details regarding this dry seaweed. Here I write it. Now I'll add one order now button so that if my customer wants to order this dry seaweed, then they will click on this order now button. Here I am providing. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of dry seaweed to the message I wrote here. See, it will connected. Now the second product is seaweed powder. If my customer wants to purchase a seaweed powder from my seaweed farm, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am again taking one media button. It will provide me one enter message box. I'll drag this message box here. Select media type as image and upload one image of seaweed powder that are available in my seaweed farm. Here I upload it. Now in this enter caption box, I'll write the details about this seaweed powder. Here I write it. After that, in the same I am adding one order now button for my customer so that if they want to order the seaweed powder, then they will click on order now button. For this, I'm clicking on this add plus button and writing one button name here as order now. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of seaweed powder to the message I wrote about the seaweed powder. After that, the third product is seaweed fiber. If my customer wants to purchase a seaweed fiber from my seaweed farm businesses, so they will click on this button, then my bot will respond to them. For this, I am taking one another media button. Drag this message box here. Select media type as image and upload one image of seaweed fiber that are available. Here I upload it. Now in this enter caption box, I'll write the details about this seaweed fiber. Here I write it. After that, I'll provide one button to my customer for ordering the seaweed fiber from my seaweed business. For this, I'm clicking on this plus add button and give the button named as order now. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of seaweed fiber to the message I write here. It is connected. Now, if my customer wants to track their delivery, then they will click on this button, track my delivery, so my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am clicking on this action option and select the ask question button. It will provide me one question box. I can write one question for my customer that please let me know your order ID. Here I write it. Now I'll select the contact custom field as order ID. As I already created this, if you want to know how to create a contact custom field in your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I'll select the format as text. And I want to give number of attempt 1, and you can also add validation message in this enter validation message box. Here I write it. Now I'll connect the circle which are present in front of track my delivery to the question I write it here. See, then my bot will respond to them. For this, I am taking one another text button. Drag this message box here and entering the response message. Here I write it. Now I'll connect this circle to this circle. Is connected. The third option is the support. When my customer wants to know about the contactual details of my seaweed farm business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, here I am taking one another text button. Drag this message box here and writing the contact details of my seaweed farm business. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of support to the message I write it here. Our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated successfully. Now I'll show you how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer automatically, instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of Seaweed Farm Businesses. Here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hello, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Pabbly Seaweed Farm. How can I help you today? While providing me 3 different options such as check inventory, track my delivery and support that we were written here. See, check inventory, track my delivery and support. If I'll click on support, then it will provide me all the contactual details of this Pabbly Seaweed Farm. If I'll click on check inventory, then it will respond to me like this while providing me 3 different categories that are available in the seaweed farm that we were written here. See, dried seaweed, seaweed powder, seaweed fiber. If I'll click on seaweed powder, then it will respond to me like this while providing me one order now button that we were written here. See, this image and this button. If I'll click on order now, then my order is confirmed. So basically this is how our chatbot will work and this is how our bot will respond to our customer automatically, instantly. This bot is created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.